how to call on Skype. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can call on Skype. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure to install Skype application on your mobile device and launch it. And make sure to log into your account or create a new account, and you are going to see this kind of interface after logging into your account. And right now I'm on chat section on my Skype. So now choose any friend of your choice to contact or call on Skype. So I'm going for this. So first, make sure to add contact to your phone, because you will not be able to call them without them having Skype. So tell them to download Skype application on their mobile device, and then you will be able to see this kind of interface, and you will not be able to contact them without them having Skype. So after that, what you can do is just tap on any contact of your choice to call them. I'm going for this one. Just tap on it, and you will be taken to this kind of interface, to the messages section. And now you can see a call icon which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it and you will be able to call them on Skype. So I'm going to cut it for now, and you can also do a video call with this contact if you want to. And now go back again, and you can see the option that says calls. Just tap on it, and now you can see that, and you will be able to call from Skype from here. So if I want to contact to this phone number, I'm going to tap on this icon, and I have to invite him to Skype because this contact does not have Skype. And we can also do a call from Skype. Just tap on this number and make sure to change your country code to the country code that you want to call. I'm going for Nepal. Tap on the country code that you want to contact, and then you have to type on the phone number and tap on call. But I will not be able to call this number because I need to purchase this kind of options to call them on their phone number. You have to purchase it from here, and you will be able to call them without your SIM card, and you can call them from Skype. So I hope it was very easy to call someone on Skype. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.